In this video, I'll be showing you on how to create your logo from the app Canva. If you don't have the app, you can download it via Play Store. And once you download it, you click on it. So it's going to ask you to sign up. You can sign up with your Facebook, your Google account, or your email. I signed up with my email. So basically, this app has both the paid version and the free version. And as free as the version sounds, you have so many features in that version. So we are going to be using the free version, though I'm registered on the trial version of this app. So we want to create a logo using a pre-existing template. What do I mean by pre-existing template? These are templates. You see templates, a lot of templates. You can create your flyers, business card. In fact, you can create an ebook from Canva app. So this app is pretty easy to use. So we'll be using the logo template to create our template in this video. So I'll be clicking on the logo template. So it brings me here. It gives me options on the kind of logo I want to create. Do I want to create a sport logo? Is it an education logo? Is it for beauty logo? Any logo. But if you don't see any option that suits what you want to create here, you can just click on see all. So you can have so many options. So you see a lot of templates. So once you get any template that you like, you can just click on it and then you start editing your work. Now I'll just click on one template. So it brings you here and then you click on the edit. Now I'm on the editing page. So I can tap something to start editing. So I just tap. One thing about pre-existing templates on Canva is that you might likely see your work on some other people's page. So it doesn't matter if you are using a pre-existing template, but what matters in graphic design is for you to be creative. Once you are creative, your work is going to show. You understand what I'm saying? So I love this template, and that is why I'm just going to be recreating it in my own way. In fact, I don't want to touch any of this work. I just want to create my own. But I'm just going to be copying something similar to this. So there is a plus sign down your screen at your left hand side. You'll be clicking on that to edit, to add your own text. So once you click on it, it's going to give you options on things you can change on this editing page. So I want to edit. What I want to edit now is the text. So I'm going to click on text. So if I click on search text, it means I want Canva app to suggest the text I'm about to create. But if I have a text of my own, I can just click on add some text of your own. So I have a text in mind. So I'll be changing it to King's Bride. Yeah. So I have my text. I'm going to be adding another text for my slogan. I'll add my text. Event and catering service. Okay. So I'll be changing the size. You can either change by rolling this the line, by rolling on the line, or you just go straight to the numbering and you change it. And then you can change the font here too. You see? I want to change the font. I want it to be bold, italic, no, a capital letter, yeah, and then the spacing, maybe I want to give it some more space. So, and then the color, I want to change it to pink. So now I think I'm going to change this one. Okay, I'm okay. Okay, I'm okay with this. Then I'll be changing the color. I like the purple, but I'm just going to edit to be a little bit darker. Yeah. Then the spacing, I don't want it to have more space. Okay. So now that I have something similar, maybe I can just delete this one. You see the delete icon at the top right of your screen. To delete it. So now I want to add my own image. So you click on the plus button below at the right hand side of your screen. I click on it. So you see, I'll just click on the image. If I want to change it to an image, if I want a video to be there, of course, if you don't use videos for logo, sticker, illustration, templates, and so on, you can edit any of your work from these places. So the one I'll be using now is illustration. I'll be clicking on the illustration, and under the illustration you also have a lot of options. Maybe you want the shape, you want to add a shape. No, you want to add a frame. I'm not adding a frame. Lines and icon, but I think I want to add, I'll choose an icon because it's the logo design. So I'll just search for something that can fit into what I'm doing. Okay, I think I got something here. Okay, so I'll just reduce the size. And once you are reducing any of your image, please, if you don't want to tamper with the view of your image, it's either you reduce it from the top right. You see this the round button. Yeah, the round buttons, you can reduce it so that it won't tamper with the view. You understand? You see. So I'm just going to return it to how it was. So I want to reduce it. So I've reduced it, and I want to change the color. I want to change the color to this one. I'm still going to reduce it. So okay, yeah. So I think I want to add a shape. Let me add a shape. Let me see. Shape, okay. Let me add this one. So you see, I'm already discussing the view, but that is how I want it. So this is it, and then I want to increase the spacing of this. Okay, so I want to change the color of this. You see, so my logo is ready. Now I want to save. You have two options in saving. I'm going to change this background for the purpose of saving. So now I've changed it. Now I want to save. At the top right corner of your phone, of your mobile phone, you are going to see there's an arrow facing down, and there's another arrow facing up. The one facing down means you are saving as an image, and the arrow facing up means when you click on it, it's going to give you several options on how you want to save your work. But for saving logo, I think it's better you save with transparency, which the other arrow facing up is going to be giving you. So I'll first be saving as an image so I can show you what I'm talking about. So save. It's going to save to my gallery. I want to save it to my gallery. It brings up this interface giving me options on how I want to publish my work, but I don't think I want to publish it yet. So I'll just click on continue editing. So now I'll be clicking on the arrow facing up. You see, it gives me other options. The other arrow facing down is just going to save directly as an image, but this one facing up is giving me options on how I want to save my image. How do I want to publish it? So I don't want to save as an image. I want to save with transparency. Saving with transparency does not save with the background, which is good when you create your logo. So I'm going to be clicking on save with transparency. So it's saving.